I'm Anil Kumar. Let me thank all the members of our WhatsApp group for participating actively and sharing some brilliant questions. Here is solution of one of the questions posted yesterday. A person bought some articles at rate of 6 for $20 and bought double number of articles at the rate of 8 for $26. All the items were sold at the rate of 24 for $118. Find the profit or loss percent. 5 choices are given to us. So it's kind of complicated. Let's break the information and then solve it. So first, let us say we talk about items, right? So a person bought some articles. That some articles means X articles at the rate. So what is the rate here? Rate is 6 for $20, right? So the rate is amount goes on the top and the quantity in the denominator, right? So the rate is $20 for 6 pieces. And bought double the number of articles means 2x at the rate of 8 for $26. So we'll make it 26 over 8, right? So that becomes the cost price. All the items were sold at the rate of 24. When we say all the items were sold, that means you have to add these two, right? And so 3x were the total number of items sold at the rate of $118, 24 pieces, correct? So 24 pieces were sold for $118. That is what we're trying to say, right? So once we know the rate and the quantity, we know the amount, right? So let's create this column of amount. So clearly you will add these to find the cost price. So that becomes the cost price, which is for us 20x over 6, and this is 26 times 2x over 8, right? And here it will be 3x times 118 over 24, right? So in this, that is the cost price and this is the selling price, right? So let me write down here cost price and selling price. Now we need to find percent profit. Of course you will, reduce them to lower terms and then it'll be easier. So let's do that and then we can add these two. So we can reduce this. It can go 2 times, so we get 10 over 3. In this case, this goes 4 times and then this goes 13 over 2, right? So let's write this as 10 over 3x. Here we have 13 over 2x, and in this case this goes 8 times and then again we can divide by 2, so 4, and 2 times 5 is 10 and 18 is 9, so 59 over 4x. Now what do we need to find? We need to find percent profit, right? So percent profit is selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100, correct? That is your percent profit. So in our case, the selling price is 59 over 4x, right? So we have 59 over 4x minus the cost price. We need to add these two, which is 10x over 3 plus 13 over 2x. So that is the cost price divided by cost price, which is sum of these, right? Which is 10x over 3 plus 13x over 2. Now we can take common denominator and then solve. So what we get here is, let's combine this term. So we get 59x over 4 minus, when you multiply by 2 and this by 3, we get 20 plus 39, which is also 59, right? So we get 59 over 6x. 20 and 39 is 59. So that is divided by 59 over 6x, correct? Times 100, right? So times 100 to get the percent. So this 59x will cancel, and you can treat this 6 in the numerator. So we get 6 over 4 minus, it is 6 over 6, which is 1, right? Minus 1 times 100, right? Times 100. So 6 over 4 is 3 over 2, right? So 3 over 2 minus 1, which will give you 50%. Okay? So that is how we could actually get the answer. Let me just go one more step here. So 6 over 4 is 3 over 2, which is 1.5 minus 1 times 100, correct? Which is half times 100 or 50%, correct? So in steps, you may take that much of time to solve this particular question. It could be done much faster if you do this calculation right away here. So you realize that this is also 59 over 6, this is 59 over 4, and then becomes much simpler to work out. So I hope the solution is clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views, and I'll appreciate if some of you can also join in providing solutions. Thank you and all the best.